Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase, the Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you the Core 2.0 tool belt from Leatt. All right, everyone, thank you so much for checking in. So today we're showing you the Core 2.0 tool belt from Leatt. This is a new one in their lineup. It's kind of an update from the previous 2.0, and we offer a lot of different tool belts on our website. So we're gonna just go through, we'll show you everything that you're getting with this one to help you decide if it should be the next one that you do want to pick up. So with this, has a total of 5 liters of storage capacity. Now this tool belt by itself does not come with the hydration bladder, but they do have it ready that if you want to, we have the 2-liter horizontal hydration bladder from Leatt. This is designed to fit into this tool belt. And I'll show you where you would put this here in just a little bit. So if you buy this belt, decide later on you want to have a hydration system with it, you can buy this water bladder separate. Now with that being said, we'll start with the waist belt and then we'll show you the pockets on the inside. So this will fit up to a 44-inch waist, so plenty of adjustability. Nice big buckle in the front. Now here on the sides, so the waist belt on the side is going to be identical. You've got this webbing right here if you want to attach some additional items. You got this zippered pocket right here. And then on the inside here, what I like is that it's called their AirLine ventilation system. So you've got this mesh here on the back, but then underneath that you can see you've got kind of these foam blocks. And these are about a 1/2 inch thick, so they're pretty dang thick. The idea for that, keep it off your back as much as possible to promote airflow so this thing isn't getting too hot. So that's what you're getting there, but also you'll notice that on the bottom and the top, you have this additional material which has a grip or a textured grip to it, and that's just to help this thing stay in place. When you have everything cinched down nice and snug, that'll just help it and prevent it from sliding around too much. So on the front, first thing you'll notice, they do have this reflective patch right here. So this is great because it lights you up when the headlights hit you, but they also designed this specifically so you could hang a safety light from here as well. So a couple bang for your buck things there. If I open up this main front pocket, so on the inside of the lid, you've got a zippered mesh pocket up here. Great little spot to put some nuts and bolts. Lift that up. You've got a much larger mesh compartment here. Show you I get my whole hand inside there just fine. And then flip it over. Here you've got your tool organization. So you've got this elastic webbing. You've got 4 of those. And then you have 4 sleeves right here to put your other items. And what's nice about this, and what's nice about a tool belt, if you've never used one before, is when you put your tools inside here, you have everything organized. Nothing's really bouncing around or getting loose and just jolting around the whole time. So that's why riders really like that tool belt. With a lot of hydration packs, you can put tools inside those. They just don't really give you as much of an option to organize your tools and keep them in place like a tool belt would. So that's your main compartment. Now, this next compartment you can see, you've got one big stash here. And you do have this mesh sleeve right here. So you've got plenty of space in here to put some additional items, but if you get that 2-liter bladder, that's where this will go. And now keep in mind, looking at it, you might think there is no way that that's gonna fit inside there. The shape of that bladder changes a lot once you have it filled with water. So once you fill it, you just cram it in there, and then you can see the sip tube runs out from right here. Now the only thing that I noticed that I would keep in mind is that when you get this, there's no clip on the waist belt for your sip tube. And the only downside I can see to that is that you'd have to find a way to keep your sip tube from just bouncing around all over the place. A lot of riders, what to do with this style of pack, if they do have a hydration pack, is that they'll just take the sip tube and run it, and they'll cut a slit in the back of their jersey. They'll feed it through that and then out the neck of their jersey, or another slit in the front, and they'll route the sip tube that way. So that would be an option for you. Or you could check out the Hydration Core 1.5 hydration pack, or fanny pack, which is this same pack. It's the exact same size, but they include 2 expandable water bottle pockets on the outside, and it comes with a 1.5 liter hydration pack already inside there. So there is that other option if you do want to check that out. But in any case, again, if you're looking for a good tool roll from Leatt, this is a great option, lightweight. It's got what you'd want in one of these things. Price point, you're about 60 bucks, so it's affordable. So if you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answers, so make sure, leave those in the comments section below. To grab this one or to see this and the other options that we do offer, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you always stay up to date on product spotlights like you saw today. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.